joining Facebook groups for your niche. So what I like to do when I'm joining Facebook groups is join literally any and every large group that you can, because it's going to take a lot of shots and a lot of attempts to get traction going for your group, to be honest with you. So if you're doing something related to your personal brand, by all means, have at it. Use your personal Facebook profile. If you want to be more anonymous, and I do have clients who choose to be anonymous, what you want to do is then create a Facebook page and have it resemble the alias, the identity of your author pen name. So if you have watched the lessons related to creating a Facebook group, which I have prior in my course here on YouTube, it's pretty much the same steps to create a page, except that you're setting it up to be your author brand, your pen brand. So once you do that, once you start joining in, a lot of groups are going to be by invite only or by acceptance only. So be sure you answer all the questions. You're going to follow the rules. You're not going to spam and so forth. And make sure that you can get in as many groups as you can. I get also asked a lot, Jacob, should I hire a VA and get this done? Should I even have a VA risk their own accounts? Because there is the notion that you might get banned from Facebook if you decide to go around, join groups, and then do postings related to what I guess some could call self-promotion. I call it giving free value. Honestly, in my experience, I've been doing this with my own personal Facebook account. I haven't had issues doing postings and having being banned. I mean, honestly, and I'm being sincerely honest here, the worst that'll happen is that you get kicked out of the group. And it took you 2 seconds to join a group. It could take you 2 seconds to get kicked out of the group. It's not the end of the world. It's not a big deal. So be sure you join in as many groups as you can. And with regards to when to post your bait, and I'll cover what you should write in my next lesson. You want to actually interact, engage, and be a part of the community. You're not there to just drop your post and then bounce and then hope some members come in. I mean, you can do that, although you're not going to get the greatest yield on your number of members joining your group. The best way to do it is actually have some time where you can even hire the VA to do it through your page. Comment on other people's questions, answer what people need help on, and give value to the group. That's something that's helped me with my presence in publishing groups. If you haven't noticed, all you have to do is first engineer what I'm doing, and you'll be able to gain influence with the group fast, and more importantly, establish authority. People will listen to you and they will trust you if you're able to answer questions, be helpful, and deliver value. As cliche as that might sound, it's very true. So don't just create, links to your Facebook group in people's comments. That's kind of lame. You want to, again, answer questions or, create topics, cultivate engagement for the groups, kiss up a bit to the admins, and, help build the community that's going on for the group that you're participating in. For those of you who are in publishing, look what I'm doing in other people's groups. I hang out in Sean Dalwett's group, Juan Board's group, Dale Roberts' group, a lot of other groups, right? And I don't get a direct benefit from posting other people's groups and answering questions, but people through time get to recognize me, identify me as a possible authority, expert, coach, what have you, in the publishing space. And whether it's outside of that group or just talking to me one-on-one, there could be a possible future opportunity for me to work with someone and make money. So what you want to do with that is translate that for your own brand and be sure that you're actually helping out and growing someone else's group. And oftentimes, if you have an admin take a liking to you, you can much more, I would say, bend the rules as it goes with promoting and giving out a free lead magnet and having people join your group. So in the next lesson, we're going to cover what you should be writing in order to safely entice people to your lead magnet and not be flagged for self-promotion. See you in the next lesson.